We are on Goal Zero's 10-year anniversary road trip, checking out a variety of areas, doing a variety of activities.
We're going all across the American West, doing philanthropy, recreating, using really cool products.
It's really cool when your left foot's kind of dangling. Okay, go for it, Brody.
What, shark fin? That's what it's called, really? Oh, it's cool. It actually looks like a shark fin. I didn't realize that.
Being a trail angel is one of the greatest things on this planet.
You know you guys want some ice cream. Yeah! There it is.
So right now we're actually inside my latest project, which is like a shipping container house in Joshua Tree, California. Building out in the middle of the desert without any electricity is a bit of a challenge.
It's pretty awesome that you can charge your bike from solar. You're charging off 100% solar energy. At the end of the day, it feels really good.
We're here in Monument Valley. Since we're not in a grid system, running power from one home to the next is very challenging. So what we're doing is bringing solar to these homes.
It was so cool to see everyone just coming together around solar power. It was a really great time.